we going today, baby?
Grayton Beach.
Yeah.
I'm Erica, and this is David, and we are 30A Misfits. Two transplant locals who love to adventure. Come explore with us. Nestled in the bohemian heart of Grayton Beach along scenic 30A, Black Bear Bread Company began in late 2016 when surfing buddies and food visionaries Dave Roshkob, founder of Bud & Alley's in Seaside, and chef Phil McDonald, a private chef with roots from Florida to New York, turned their dream into dough. Using only naturally leavened breads, fresh local ingredients, and mindful partnerships with farmers and artisans, Black Bear quickly grew from its quaint Grayton Cafe to include the Bar Room in 2019 and Seaside in 2021.
Would it be possible to do the cereal milk as a cold brew?
Yeah, no, we can definitely do that.
Okay.
You want a 12 or a 20 ounce for that?
20 ounce.
20, okay.
Hazelnut latte with oat milk. 3 foods and 2 drinks, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
Alright, I know what you're taking for you.
Really big and fluffy. And we do was make the same thing but with cold brew.
Here's the thing. Lovely man that he is. And I love town, which I rarely do. You have friends coming in out of town, and I said, I don't have
That was really good. Alright, I want to see you try that cinnamon roll.
they see their parents.
Yeah, I saw the puddle of frosting.
I love cinnamon rolls.
Oh, yes, I can tell.
It might be my favorite breakfast thing in the world, and I'm always in the hunt for the best cinnamon roll in town. But right now, it's Blue Mountain Bakery, in my opinion, don't you think?
Yeah.
You never have a bad cinnamon roll, like a bad pizza.
Yeah.
It's so good.
That one looks like it might be on par with like hibiscus. Remember that one being really good.
Try it, Pop.
Yeah. It looks like it might be a chocolate Pop-Tart.
Flaky.
Oh, blueberry? Or blackberry? Blackberry just might be my favorite fruit, so I think I'll know.
Bye, good? Good. Can we eat?
Black Bear Bread Company is a difficult one to place. I'm a huge coffee lover and a big fan of small businesses, and I fell in love with their coffee and almond pastries not long after they opened. A lot of locals do frequent Black Bear, but at least for me, I know I'd go back way more than I do if their prices were a little less touristy.
All right, let's go.
We had to delay the tour we were going to do today because David got a last-minute booking at one of the homes he manages in Miramar Beach. He wanted to stop by for an inspection.
Definitely has presents.
And I've actually never seen this one before, so we figured why not make it our first official house tour.
I should have turned that TV on.
These are the kind of homes David gets to help families experience through Stela, the company he works with here on 30A. We love creating our 30A Misfits videos, but they take a lot of time. And right now, we can't always justify spending full days shooting and editing. So here's how you can help us keep doing them. Every like, share, or comment on this video actually helps David reach more homeowners and travelers who love to experience homes like this one, making his job a little easier and giving us a little more breathing room for doing 30A Misfits videos.
I want to do Thanksgiving here.
Right?
Fill the space. Awesome.
See, put your drawers in.
Yeah.
If you happen to own a vacation home anywhere along 30A or Miramar Beach and want it cared for like this, reach out to him. He manages just a handful of properties so that every home gets personal attention, which is exactly why we're able to show you places like this today.
one of the things we wanted to make sure we did was hire the best cleaners in town. And of course they cost more, but it's all right. It's like a house ready to rent.
For years, this little spot in Grayton Beach was home to the Pickle Factory, a quirky brick oven pizza joint with loyal locals and a Green Bay Packers flag hanging by the kitchen. When the Pickle Factory closed, the ovens cooled, but not for long before Grace Pizza and Shakes opened its doors in 2022. They brought a fresh take on an old favorite. Here the pies lean creative, like the Supreme Grace, a meat lover's take on a Supreme Pizza, and their milkshakes? More like edible art. What used to be a tucked-away pizza hangout has become a family-friendly staple on 30A. Proof that in Grayton Beach, even when one chapter ends, something delicious always rises in its place.
Yeah. Go meatball.
Go meatball.
It's pretty freaking good.
Yeah, it is.
Came up.
It's really good.
It's delicious.
Who stacks pizza boxes like that? Pizza box stacking, it's not stacking pizza boxes, it's leaving clues.
Who would stack pizza boxes like this? A pizza box stacker that's not stacking pizza boxes. He's leaving clues.
Men in Black.
Oh my God.
Straws for everybody.
Awesome.
I get you guys some boxes delicious.
No way.
And if we do.
Ooh, getting lightheaded.
Oh yeah, he's like, I'll take another bite of that, thank you.
Well, my name is Brandon. I'm the owner here at Grace Pizza and Shakes. We got a lot of awesome events as a local business. We love the support from our local people, and we love taking care of our guests, whether they're local or tourists. But we got a lot of fun stuff coming up. We have Trivia Tuesdays every Tuesday, Lottie's and Pizza coming up, as well as Sip and Paint Night. But we also do vendor events and live music as well. We typically do those Thursdays and Sundays. But yeah, come on out, try some Grace Pizza. We'd love to have y'all.
Thank you for introducing.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
You bet. Everything's excellent.
Yeah, well, see, dessert stomach is separate.
Grace Pizza and Shakes has been on our list for quite a while. They're similar to Black Bear in that their prices can be a bit touristy, but the milkshakes were on par for what you'd pay for an extravagant milkshake anywhere else. That, combined with all the family-centered events they hold and their community involvement, gives them a bit of a bump up.
I stay behind and clean up the mess, and then meet them at the car. Hey, baby.
If you own a home along 30A and want it featured or just want it booked solid, I'm only taking 2 more houses before the year is out. You can reach me directly at davidf@stalo.com or drop a comment below and I'll get in touch.
That's it for this episode of 30A Misfits. Next episode, we're exploring the lesser-known side of 30A. Quiet roads, tucked-away hangouts, and places most visitors never find. We'll roll down Montgomery Street in Seagrove, one of the most postcard-perfect tucked-away stretches in Walton County.